Good morning. This is Mornings with Michael for information and educational purposes only after a little hiatus. So we're going to go to look where we normally start, look at the crypto space. Ethereum had pulled back and it is moving on up. And Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin had pulled back to about 58,500 yesterday. It's close to 61,000. The CPI report isn't out yet, but the PPI, Producer Price Index, came in cooler than expected in July, according to new data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics released Tuesday morning. Rose just 0.1% month over month after rising 0.2% in June. The pace was below economic forecast. So that's that story. Let us move over to our word of the day. A word of the day is matutinal, of or occurring in the morning. My daily matutinal habit is to drink a strong cup of coffee and eat scrambled eggs with toast. So that's our word of the day. Let's go over to their heat map. Heat map, things are bouncing back with that positive PPI report. Meta is up 2.81. NVIDIA is up about 6%, and the rest of the semiconductors are up strong. So there we go with that report. Oil and gas is down a little bit. Healthcare continues to do well. And financials and asset management are bouncing back. So that is that story. Let's go over to our reports. I'm going to pause for a moment. Here is our dollar. The dollar is down on that news of the PPI, falls below the 200-day moving average. Look at copper. Copper fell and it's trying to get back above its 10-day moving average. Silver is holding right around 25.30. Gold pulling back a little bit. And uranium still is in a little bit of a downturn. Let's go look at our bonds. Bond yields are diving this morning. Kind of filled a gap yesterday and then turning further down. They're at 3.85% on the 10-year. And on the 20-year, falling 1.33% at 3.05% interest. Go look at the VIX. The VIX is heading down as well. It's at 18.97. Back here when it was at 11, 18.97 was a pretty high mark. So I'm not sure if our volatility is quite over yet, but S&P 500 is gapping up, got above its 20-day moving average, up 1.44%. We got our equal weight is up 0.9%. NASDAQ gapping up 2.3%. The equal weight got above its 200-day moving average, up 1.87%. Our IWM small capitalization stocks still above their 50-day moving average, up 1.21%. And the Dow Jones gets above its 50-day. Let's take a look, see what's under our sector watch. Financials up 0.43. Communications, where Google and Meta are, up 1.34%. Real estate continues to do well. Home builders looks like they gapped up and they're up 1.74%. Biotech is up. Healthcare up 0.91%. Semiconductors up 3.58%. Look at that strong move in consumer discretionary sector. It's where Tesla and Amazon are. Consumer staples up 0.18%. Airlines up 1.11%. Travel, double travel is up 1.6%. We have our infrastructure up 0.78. Metals and mining up 0.7%. Building materials up 0.79%. See if we missed anything. I'm sure we have. Let's see if any AIE. Insurance down 0.15. Our regional banks up 0.73. S&P 500 up 0.72. So that's kind of a look there. Now let us go see what's happening in our daily routine. Looks like our IPO LOAR. Look at that move. I think that's our IPO of the day. Earnings up 1,000%. It's up into the profit zone. Let's just continue. This is another IPO, I believe. Yes. The PACS Group, skilled nursing care through portfolio of independently operated facilities, jumped 16.5%. CADR jumps up 11%. Earnings came in a negative 76%, but I think that's a lot better than people expected. Starbucks is starting to take a move. Look at that gap up in Starbucks. Highest volume since this base here. It's up 20%. Darling Ingredients up 15.8%. And that's all of our items. What have we done today? Well, we got back into our NVIDIA position as it crossed above its 20-day moving average. We weren't around the markets really yesterday, but would have put it on yesterday as it got above the 10-day moving average. It's continuing up. Labu, we had just 50 shares, so we added another 50 today on this move. It's up a little over 2%. And we added to Fang. Got a gap up here. Fang U, it's up a little over 8%. Was up over 9% at one point this morning. And we put on BitX. Again, we'll see if this is the bottom here. Came way down here, down to around 49,000. And it's been kind of edging up. Had a bad day yesterday, but seems to be edging up higher. So that's what we've added today. And we added a little believe this was on Friday. We added this on this move here when it got above the 10-day moving average, and we added a few more shares today. So Kava, danger is their earnings are in 9 days, but really like this formation. So we got back to our 1,000 shares, and that's the news there. That's our show for today. This is Mornings with Michael. Go out there and support your favorite taco truck on Taco Tuesday. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Work on your goals. Keep working on your activities to support those goals. And we will see you again on Wednesday. Have a great day.